Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X1 radiator. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on jack stands. Next, you'll need to remove the engine under tray and any air intake ducts to gain access. Then, locate a convenient low point, such as a small coolant hose from the transmission cooler, to drain the existing coolant into a suitable basin. This prepares the system for further disassembly. With the coolant drained, your next step is to tackle the electric fan and intercooler. Begin by unplugging the electric fan's electrical connector. Then, remove the fan's mounting screws, often Torx 25, and carefully lift the fan assembly out of the way. Afterward, detach both intercooler air ducts and remove the two T25 mounting screws, allowing you to pull the intercooler back and down for removal. Now, focus on disconnecting all remaining hoses and sensors from the radiator. This includes the large upper and lower radiator hoses. Many BMW hoses use a retaining clip. Use a pick tool to pry these clips open before wiggling and pulling the hoses off. Also, be sure to detach any smaller coolant lines or electrical connectors for sensors that are directly attached to the radiator itself. For the final step, you're ready to remove the radiator. Locate and remove the two mounting screws, typically Torx 25, at the upper corners of the radiator. Once these are out, gently wiggle the radiator to loosen it from its lower mounting points. With all connections and fasteners removed, carefully tip the top of the radiator back slightly, then lift and work it out of the engine bay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.